Super quick update number 6, I think. Had my parents here for a whole week. I managed to do some of my regular work and was still getting stuff done with the guest house, which is great. Take a look at that. Pretty nice, right? So we actually got a window frame installed. We got all the wood siding done except for the parts around the window. I don't know what you call this in English, but in Swedish it's directly translated to, I don't know, standing lock paneling. Yeah, that's my best translation. Anyway, it's finally up. The foundation looks good. It's all coming together, finally. Need some drainage pipes. We're actually gonna bring all that water from both of those drainy majingy thingy to a big, I think 1,000 liter tank on the back here. Tank is gonna be elevated a little bit so we can actually use that water for the rest of the flower garden and maybe the greenhouse, we'll see. So I just wanted to give you a quick update. It looks really good. We're gonna make a straight line and cut that on an angle so you get a little water drip prevention thing. I don't think a lot is gonna happen until next weekend because it's gonna rain now for 10 days straight. We're gonna go ahead and keep on painting windows and the door so we can get that installed, and hopefully I can install that next weekend with a little bit of help. And oh yeah, right. Hello. Check this out. While my dad was busy putting the wood on the walls, my mom went ahead and actually cleaned up my shed and organized, which is highly appreciated because it was a total mess. I keep telling my wife I have a kind of an organized mess going on where I actually find the stuff I need, but this is way better. So everything has its own place. Got my screwdrivers, got my tape. Don't know where I should put that. Spray cans, oils, that kind of stuff. And power tools, you name it. The rest of the stuff. So yeah, super excited about this. I might get a new video out with some kind of restoration project or some crazy build, who knows? I don't know, but the point is now I can actually find stuff to make my projects, so that is awesome. That was a short guest house update, number 6. So next up, putting the windows in, getting the door installed, and then we're gonna move inside and start working on the floor, insulating and insulating the walls, and figure out how we're gonna build that slanted ceiling. So that's gonna be fun to figure out. If you want to see the rest of the guest house project, I'm going to put the playlist here somewhere. And yeah, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.